Hi there, today I will show you how to add YouTube video in WordPress website. So let's just begin. First of all, you have to log in into your WordPress and now you have to go into the post and I want to add a new post. So let's click on the new post here. Okay, so here I would like to give a title that is YouTube video. Okay, the first method to add the YouTube video is to copy the video's link. You just have to go to the YouTube and you can simply copy the link of the video from here and you have to go back to the WordPress, and from here you have to click on the add, and you can see here we have the YouTube option here. So let's click on the YouTube option and you just have to paste the URL here. Okay, so let's click on the embed and this would simply add the YouTube video to our WordPress website. Okay, so let's just save the draft, and I also want to publish this, so click on the publish and click on the publish again. Okay, so let's just view the post here. So let's go to the new page and you will be able to see the YouTube video on our WordPress website. Okay, so as you can see here, we have added the YouTube video in our WordPress website. So let's click on the play and we will be able to play our video from here. As you can see here that it is working perfectly. Okay, so this is how we add the YouTube video in our WordPress website. And now since we learned to add the YouTube video in our WordPress website, but I want to start the video at a specific time and I also want to end the video at a specific time on our WordPress website. So how can we do that? So let's just go back to our YouTube video here, and as you can see here we have this share button. So click on the share and you have to click on the embed here, and as you can see here we have this embedded code for the YouTube video. So I want to start the video after 1 minute. So let's check on this option start ad, and I will simply add the 1 minute here. And as you can see here we have this 1 minute. So let's copy the code from here. Alright, so let's go back to our WordPress and I just need to delete this from here. Remove the YouTube, and now let's click on this icon with the 3 dots here and you will be able to see here the code editor. So let's just click on the code editor and now I can simply paste our embedded code here that we have copied from the YouTube. So in the code, how can I know that my video will start at the 60 seconds or the 1 minute? So as you can see here, let me just zoom in a bit. You will be able to see this start option which is equal to the 60 seconds. Okay, so this 60 value is actually the seconds. So if I want to start my video at 2 minutes, so I simply write down 120 seconds here. So this value is actually the value of the seconds. Okay, so now let's just save this and let's just exit this code editor, and now you will be able to see the video and it will start at 2 minutes. Okay, so let's click on the play and you will see that video will start at the 2 minutes. Okay, so as you can see here it is starting at the 2 minutes. Okay, so this is how you can add the specific start time for the video in your WordPress website. And in the similar way I can add the specific end time to my video, which simply means that when we play the video, it will only play the video at the specific start time that we have given, and it will stop playing the video where we have given the end point to our video. Okay, so now let's just go back to our video here. So for the end point, I want to end the video at the 3 minutes. Okay, so let's just go into the 3 minutes from here. Okay, so as you can see here, it is actually the 3 minutes and the 3 seconds. So let's copy the seconds from the video. So how can we do that? So we will simply do the right click and copy the video URL at the current time and go back to our WordPress here. And now let's just go back to our code editor from here. Okay, so let's just paste the URL from here. And as you can see this number, so this number is actually the seconds of our video that we have pointed out at the end point, which is 3 minutes 3 seconds, which is equal to the 183 seconds. Okay, so let me just copy this number and we will actually delete this URL. And how can we add this endpoint? Which is pretty simple. What you need to do, after the start point you have to add the end sign, and now you have to write down the end here, which is equal to 183 seconds. So the video will actually start at the 2 minutes and it will end at 3 minutes 3 seconds. So let me just go back to the visual editor and let's just start our video. And from here you will be able to see that our video is starting at the 2 minute and it will simply end at 3 minutes 3 seconds. So let me just click on the number that is closer to the 3 minutes, which is actually 2 minutes 55 seconds. and now you can see that the video stopped playing at the 3 minutes and the 3 seconds. Okay, so this is how you can add the specific start point and the end point to our video in the WordPress. Alright, so let me just update this. Let's just go and check the same thing at our website. So let's click the refresh here. Okay, so let's just play the video here, and you will be able to see that our video is starting at the 2 minute and it will end at the 3 minute and the 3 seconds. So let me just start the video from 2 minutes 50 seconds, and from here you will be able to see that when we reach the 3 minute and the 3 seconds, the video is stopped playing. Okay, so this is how we can add the specific starting point and the specific end point. Okay, so in the last we will learn to add the video in the Elementor. So first of all, let's just go back to our editor, and now you can see that we have the option to add it with the Elementor. So let's just click on this. Okay, so as you can see here that we have this YouTube video in the Elementor that we have already added. So let me just delete this from here. So how can we add the YouTube video in the Elementor? That is pretty simple. All you need to do is to click on the video here, and you have to drag to the widgets here, and you will be able to see a sample video here. Okay, so if you want to add your YouTube video to the Elementor, all you need to do, you just have to paste the link of your video here. So let me just remove the link of the sample video from here, and let's just go back to our video. Let's just copy the link again and go back to the Elementor and replace the link here. And as you can see that we have added our YouTube video in our Elementor. Okay, so in the Elementor you can easily add the start time and the end time, and you have to add the time in the seconds. Okay, so you just have to remember that. So this is it, and this is how you can add the YouTube video in the WordPress website. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.